Thought I'd do a little video. It was 40 degrees yesterday. Everybody was out having a good time thinking it was spring. And then, well, I don't know if you can see it too well, maybe against the trees. About 5 inches to 6 inches today. And where we are, kind of heavy wet snow too. It's the kind that really makes it hard. I don't know why the chickens and the turkeys are out of their little coop. Usually they stay in. Sometimes I think the guineas get in there and take over. I gotta shoot them out. We'll see. They can go in and out. Anyways, so it's just a nice snowy day here in the farm. Gotta take a quick minute or two video and share our snow. That's Michigan this time of year. You can get 40-degree days and 15 the next. We are pretty much down to no snow, and now we're back to an inch or so. Get a little better snow when you zoom in on things. Snowing pretty good. You done eating, big dog? Oh, you done eating? She loves the snow. We leave the barn open, she don't go in. Well, that's what I wanted to show you. Just a really pretty morning snowstorm. I know some people think I'm crazy, but I enjoy the snow. And, you know, that's the way it is. Believe me, I'm covered already. Oh, Ison's going to get her boot. So I got to go play fetch with Ison. Hi.